Hello everyone, Pedro with you, and in this video I'm going to show you how to customize iPhone home screen like a pro. So first of all, we need to go and open settings on our device, and here scroll down and find wallpaper right here. And first of all, we will customize the lock screen of our iPhone. So basically go and click on add new wallpaper, and here I like to choose in the top options, just scroll the top options to the left and choose color. Now it will open some colors, and here you can start customizing iPhone lock screen. So go and choose the color. You can increase the brightness. So for example, I will go with this one. If you slide to the left or to the right, you can choose some filters for this home lock screen. You can change the type of clock or just clicking on the clock, increase its width. Now you can add some widgets. For example, click on add widgets and choose some. For example, I'll go with the weather and with the currency. And here basically you can also change some options in the top that are shown in the top. So for example, I'll go with the weather as well. And now when we are ready, you need to click on the add in the top right corner and click on set as wallpaper pair. Now close the settings and go, and now we'll have to customize our home screen. So basically choose the slide where you want to customize something and hold for a while in the blank space. So now click on the edit button in the top left corner and choose customize. Now first of all, we can customize the icons. So they can be light, dark, automatic. It means they automatically change when it is night or day, or they can be themed. So basically we can just change the color of these icons, but I like the dark one. Now we can change the size of these icons. We can go with the large, with the small, and brightness. The next step I'll suggest you to change is go back and click on edit customize as well. And we can add some widgets as well. Go to edit, click on add widget, and here basically we can add some widgets that can be useful for us. So for example, it can be clocks. So I'll go with the clock one. If you scroll, you can change the type of this clock widget. So I like this one, so I'll click on the add widget. Here I can change the position of this widget, and I also can change the position of some applications. Just simply drag them and choose where you want them to be. And basically that's it. That is how we can customize iPhone home screen like a pro. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.